Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a piece that I think would make an excellent anniversary or birthday gift, and this is a piece we just got into our collection, which I'm pretty excited about. This is a Rolex Lady President, a 26mm Datejust on the President bracelet. It's got this 18 karat yellow gold fabulous bracelet, looks beautiful, an 18 karat yellow gold case and a fluted bezel, and these adorable round diamond surrounds, which I love. I think it's such a fun and interesting shape, and it's very different from the normal diamond surrounds that Rolex usually uses. And of course this dial has this beautiful pyramid stud texture that kind of flashes as you move the watch around in the light. I think it's gorgeous, and I just think it adds that extra pop of interest onto this dial. I think this watch would make an excellent birthday or anniversary gift because it's a really special piece. It's not like a Rolex you see every day, but it still has that very classic Rolex style of the all 18 karat yellow gold, the fluted bezel, the President bracelet. It looks beautiful, and it's something that she'll want to wear and think about the good times and just think about the wonderful gift that you gave her. So if you are looking to purchase a birthday gift, an anniversary gift, or any other type of gift, definitely check this one out and all of the rest of our entire ladies Rolex collection at SwissWatchExpo.com.